The world's getting hotter, and pretty much every scientist on the planet is blaming heat-trapping gases like carbon dioxide, which are now at their highest level since civilization began. But you already knew that. You also knew that to stem the flow of carbon dioxide, we have to use much more wind and solar and fewer fossil fuels. But what you may not know is that experts now believe relying on those technologies alone is a risky bet. What we really need to do is suck that carbon pollution out of the air. Welcome to the idea of carbon removal, where we not only reduce our emissions to zero, we actually go below zero. Sounds tough, but really, nature's got the blueprint. Plants and trees breathe in carbon dioxide when they grow, but when they die and decay, it's released back into the air. It's called the natural carbon cycle. The big question is, how do we keep that carbon dioxide from returning to the air? One way to stop the wood decomposing is by using it to build our homes. Each house built from sustainably grown wood can lock up to 10 tons of carbon pollution. Columbia University scientists have managed to mimic nature by creating artificial trees, which they say are 1,000 times more efficient than the real deal. Sticky leaves trap the carbon pollution, which is then used in industry or stored underground. Other scientists have discovered a type of charcoal that can also help. It's called biochar, and it's made by fixing carbon into sustainably grown plant matter, which keeps it from decomposing for hundreds of years. Biochar isn't burnt. Instead, it can be spread onto farmlands to improve the soil. The carbon removal technology that scientists think has the greatest potential is bioenergy with carbon capture and storage, or bio-CCS. The problem with burning plant matter for heat and energy is that the smoke carries the carbon pollution back into the air. So what would happen if we basically turn the smokestacks upside down? A plant in Illinois traps most of the carbon pollution and pumps it 2 kilometers into the rock below. Scientists have found that 99% of that carbon dioxide should be stored for over 1,000 years, because over time it binds to the rock, forming a mineral in the same way shells form in the sea. In the first 3 years, the Illinois plant captured 1 million tons of carbon pollution from the air. That's the equivalent of taking 200,000 cars off the road. There is no silver bullet to fix climate change. Experts say we'll need a broad mix of solutions to truly tackle the climate challenge. With so much at risk, should carbon removal be part of our plan? To find out more, visit climateinstitute.org.au.